Hey guys, it's Cameron and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to Cameron and Scary. So yeah, welcome back to Cameron and Scary and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys are also watching this video on January the 31st. So yeah, you guys are also watching this video on January the 31st. So yeah, this video is also for the 31st of January. Yeah, you guys are also watching this video on the 31st of January. You guys actually get two videos on the 31st of January. So yeah, you guys definitely get two videos for the 31st of January. Yep, you guys definitely get two videos for the 31st of January. I hope you guys are all doing well tonight, whatever it is you guys are doing. And I hope you all are doing well tonight. I hope you all are having a wonderful night, whatever it is you guys are doing. And I hope you all are doing well tonight too, whatever it is you guys are doing. For tonight's video, I'm going to be telling you guys another scary story that I did some research on and that I was reading too. So, let me find my story. Oh, sorry, I forgot to search it, so hold on. Okay, now I'm going to my Scary Stories website. Okay, I found it. Okay, so this story is called the door handle. So yeah, this story is called the door handle. Okay, so the door handle is a true scary story about a young man who decides to hitchhike home from college. Okay, before I start this video, how you guys like my Ghostface shirt that I'm wearing? So yeah, do you guys like my Ghostface shirt that I'm wearing? I think it looks really nice on me. So, how do you guys like my Ghostface shirt that I'm wearing? So yeah, how do you guys like my Ghostface shirt that I'm wearing? I think it looks really nice and cool on me. So yeah, it looks really nice and cool on me. But anyway, how do you guys like my Ghostface shirt? So yeah, do you guys like my Ghostface shirt that I'm wearing? But anyway, without further ado, let's just get started with this video. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with the video. So let me read you guys the story about the door handle. So let's begin with my story. Okay, so in the late 1970s, my uncle was studying medicine at the University of Chicago. One day after class, he decided to hitchhike home. A man drove up and offered my uncle a ride. But you should never get into a car with a stranger. So yeah, never ever under any circumstances get into a car with a stranger because it's very dangerous and bad to get into a car with a stranger. So yeah, never ever under any circumstances get into a car with a stranger because It's really, really bad and is very, very dangerous. So, yeah, never ever, under any circumstances, get into a car with a stranger. So, yeah, never get into a car with a stranger. So, let's get back to the story in video. A man drove up and offered my uncle a ride. He looked normal and seemed friendly, so my uncle got into the car. However, on the way, the man suddenly took a different route. My uncle told the man he was going the wrong way. The man looked at my uncle, put his hand on his leg, and smiled darkly at him. "No, son," he said, "you're coming with me." My uncle froze and began to panic. When the car slowed down in traffic, he quickly opened the passenger door, jumped out, and ran away without looking back. So yeah, he jumped out of the car, ran away, and without looking back. A few years later, my uncle was watching TV when he saw something that made his made his blood run cold. There was a picture of the man that had picked picked him up. He had he had been arrested for the murder of at least 33 boys and young men. So yeah, he had been arrested for the murder of at least 33 boys and young men. Yeah, he was arrested for the murder of at least 33 boys and young men. The man on the television was named John Wayne Gacy. He was a notorious serial killer. The police found 26 bodies buried under his house. The creepiest thing of all was that he had removed the door handle from the passenger side door of his car to prevent his victims from escaping. Okay, now that's how the story goes. So yeah, the police found 26 26 bodies. 26 bodies buried under his house. The creepiest thing of all, the creepiest thing of all was that he had removed the door handle from the passenger side door of his car to prevent his victims from escaping. Yeah, the creepiest thing of all was that he had removed the door handle from the passenger side door of his car to prevent his victims from escaping. Okay, now that's how this story goes. So that is the story of the door handle. Yeah, that was the story of the door handle. So yeah, yeah, that was the story of the door handle. So yeah, this man in the story was a murderer. Yeah, he was a murderer. Yeah, he was a murderer that murdered 33 boys and young men. Yeah, he was a notorious murderer that murdered 33 boys and young men. Yeah, he killed 33 boys and young men. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and story. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give me a big old thumbs up. If you guys did enjoy this story and video. And subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, so you guys don't miss a new video I post every single week. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, so you guys don't miss a new video I post every single week. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And as always, stay creepy. Bye guys. And peace.